What is up? How's it going? Welcome, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto communities, Blue Crew, and all the communities out there, guys. Welcome to another crypto and beer, crypto chill live stream. Grab a drink, grab a smoke, grab something, grab a chair, grab some food. We're hanging out with the Blue Crew, the Green Giants, and the Ledger Citizens. Feel free to jump on in, ask some questions, let's hang out. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a pro trader, and I'll never tell you what to do. We got Legendary in the house. We got the Green Giants coming in, Bullish Crypto Sniper, Sniff, Frogadelic Research, Dust, Her. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Miles P in the house. Guys, we got some good news that came up today, though, so even though we're just chilling, we're hanging out, we got to check out some of this news that just dropped recently, right? Ukraine considering crypto or legalizing crypto regulation, right? Legalizing the crypto sector. Signed a bill into law that has been on the table since September. We're going to jump in on this one. Appreciate everybody tuning in. What's the beer of choice today? No beer today, my man. Just chilling. It's the chillin' option today. Definitely need some good news. Been one of those days. Yeah, exactly, Duster. We also had Jerome Powell speaking earlier today. Yo, what's up, XRP Roadrunner? How you doing? Appreciate you guys tuning in. We already got 10 likes to start off this live stream. You guys are amazing. So yeah, Ukraine, Zelensky signs virtual assets bill into law, legalizing crypto. Ukraine has received $100 million in crypto donations during its war with Russia. Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky legalized crypto in the country, signing into law a bill on virtual assets amid a frenzy of digital asset donations to support the country's defense against a Russian invasion. The law determines the legal status, classification, ownership, and regulators of virtual assets as a setting registration requirements for crypto service providers. The Ministry of Digital Transformation, remember that name, Ministry of Digital Transformation, said in a statement Wednesday, the market will be regulated by Ukraine's National Commission on Securities and the stock market. Exchanges will be able to operate legally and banks will open accounts for them, the digital ministry said in the tweet. The state body is tasked with shaping and pursuing a policy in the field of virtual assets, determining the order of circulation of virtual assets, issuing permits to virtual asset service providers, and carrying out supervision and financial monitoring in the area. Ukraine has received at least $100 million in crypto donations over the past 3 weeks from people who want to support its defense and help fund humanitarian efforts. The bill passed through Parliament on February 17th after Zelensky rejected an earlier version approved in September 2021. The Ministry of Finance is working on amendments to the country's tax and civil codes to fully launch the market for virtual assets, the statement said. This Ministry of Finance, if you guys, I posted up on my Twitter earlier, this is bullish for XRP, this is bullish for XLM. Let's see how. And all it takes next, the next step is for Ukraine to declare a crypto as legal tender. So maybe a BTC, perhaps XRP, whatever they decide to declare as legal tender, and then that's when the snowball begins to roll in IMF considering custodying digital assets. So bullish for XRP, here you go. Ripple news. Back in 2018, Ukrainian banks are considering to use Ripple for financial transactions. All the way back. In the nearest future, we plan to connect Ukrainian banks to the internet protocol Ripple, which will cryptographically secure financial transaction data and will allow to reduce the costs and speed up payments due to the system's openness and absence of mediators. Isn't that crazy, you guys? It's crazy how things are lining up right here. Ukrainian Central Bank, Ripple as likely partner of the Ukrainian Central Bank. And then you also see this is bullish for XLM. Funny. Two cryptos, similar technology, solving payments problems. Ukraine signs agreement with Stellar Development Foundation to work on CBDC digital asset strategies, right? Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation. Crazy. Has inked a memorandum of understanding with Stellar Development Foundation, with the two sides agreeing to cooperate on a number of digital asset related initiatives. And this, guys, this was in January of 2021. So literally a year later, now we're starting to see Ukraine start rolling this out. The development of a strategy for virtual assets in Ukraine. The SDF will help Ukraine build infrastructure for a modern virtual asset market and enhance Ukraine's status as an innovative digital country in the financial market in Eastern Europe. The Ministry of Digital Transformation is working on creating the legal environment for the development of virtual assets in Ukraine. We believe our cooperation with the Stellar Development Foundation will contribute to the development of virtual asset industry and its integration into the global financial system. Right? SDF will start activity with Ukraine in 2021, according to the statement, though an exact start date is unclear. It looks like it's getting pretty close to a start date to me. So this is big news coming out that just came out today. Sure, the markets haven't yet reflected, but hey, BTC's breaking through to 40K again. Let's see what ends up happening here. XRP going up to 78 cents. Gotta love it. Does this bring in momentum for cryptos that we were expecting to break out towards the upside? Is this massive news? Do you guys think, you know, just from tonight's going to be awesome and tomorrow? Do you guys think there's going to be some bullish pressure that comes in? Right here with XRP, we've already broken out, right? And we've had a nice retracement. Now we're starting to get bullish again. It's a battle between the bulls and bears. We do have some room to the upside to continue to go up. Not much, but we do have some room to the upside. This is definitely a deciding point. We do expect, if it doesn't break, bottom could be at around 64, just to be prepared for that. Zelensky is installed by the USA. What's up, Sniff? What's up, Ralph Cooper? Dust Her, good to see you guys. Rotson Aguilar. Time to chill. Dom Republic cigar and a cup of coffee. Dust Her, that sounds chill. How are you doing? I am Dutch. Oh, I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Zelensky just tweeted the Ukraine's currency will be GDLT token. No way. No way. That would be amazing. The majority is out there, man. What if Ukraine just swooped it up and they said, okay, cool. We were able to get a ton of GDLT token. Appreciate you guys tuning in for another one. But yeah, that's great news coming out from Ukraine. Crypto executive order just last week. Eventful things, guys. The prices aren't going nuts. But man, this is all bullish signs right here. Ripple case coming to a close. The executive order being signed. Now Ukraine allowing for digital asset use. It's all beginning. Just lit up one. Bullish. What's up, full of XRP? Good to see you. Guys, appreciate the Blue Crew, the Green Giants, and the Ledger Citizens who are tuning in. We're creating a hell of a community with the Ledger Citizens, though, man. Ledger Citizens are coming in strong, especially on the crypto Twitter space and Ledger City Radio. I've actually been considering creating a separate YouTube channel called Ledger City Radio so we can do our LCUs and I think LCU will eventually just be Ledger City Radio episodes. Just to keep it, keep what I do here more broad and not just so specific, and then have a platform that itself maybe I can share with other hosts, for example. Yeah. Just lit one up, bullish. Nice. Yeah, we got messages for people who want to be co-hosts for Ledger City. I mean, if you guys really want to, I think just for now, I'm going to be hosting. But once we get into the game and we start doing the game, I think we're going to have to start setting up those spaces to be daily spaces. And if people want to commit the time to it, I don't know how we can make it, and rewarding for all of us to make that upkeep continuing, but we can figure it out. We can figure it out. I mean, small steps, but I like where our heads are at. Imagine driving in your car in Ledger City and you're listening to Ledger City Radio. But I appreciate everybody tuning in. Let's check out some more news that's going down. I mean, the charts are the charts right now, you guys. They're going off in the past hour off this news. Hopefully we're breaking out of certain resistance areas from this news, right? Let's see some really good bullish momentum coming for the space, man. All these events, like the executive, dude, of course Nano always takes off, dude. It's these ones that are super fast transactions and cheap to send that always end up taking off. Nano's always due for like a spike. Crazy spike right here for Nano. Could be waking up. We've seen Nano go as high as $18. Yeah, still not a bad point of entry for Nano, but you got to believe in the project, right? But so far it's, I mean, very low supply. They could still be building. I mean, you would have to be a Nano head big time. I don't know too much about them, but I know that they do fast transactions. Very cheap fees. I've seen them on Delaware articles, so they seem pretty interesting. Let's ripple and roll. I like that. We built this city. Dude, that's what Ledger City citizens are going to be singing. We built this city. Because that's really what we're doing, man, with the Ledger citizens. We're building what we want to be doing, strategizing, getting together, trying to figure out how we can make our presence, leave our dent in the Ledger City metaverse. WTK, what's up, Calculon? Good to see you, man. You want me to check out WTK? I hear you. Let's do it. WAD's Pay token. I'll add that to the list, my man. Oh, that's doing some good gains in the past 30 days. Super low supply. Is this a gem? Is this a gem, Calculon? XRP airdrops following them. Digital Autonomous Conductor following them. Who else do we got following these guys? Ripple Riddler, Calculon, BitTrue, Zinfin, Crypto Airy. Okay, interesting. Good looking out. Thanks for recommending this one, man. Definitely worth adding to the list here. We'll look into it deeply, but thanks for bringing awareness, Calculon. Looks like one, man. Looks like one, bro. All right, let's go into the deep reds, though. Now that we're starting to pivot, we're seeing some good momentum from a lot of these cryptos, right? So past 24 hours looking like Nano, WAD's Pay, Jasmy. It's good to see Jasmy pivoting now. Digital Bits has been holding strong. Remember when Digital Bits was, I think, even sub a penny? Now it's at 39 cents. It's holding pretty strong for that range. Still up 326% on the year. Remember, they're a fork of the Stellar blockchain. Pretty interesting to keep up with there. Smartlands, hopefully we can journey back to $1 for Smartlands. Such a highly volatile crypto. RSR still at a penny. It seems like RSR just lives at a penny. Guys, that was the time to get a stronghold or strong node at 123. We saw it at $123, y'all. Still 60% down in the past 90 days. Juno holding strong as well. Now let's go into the deep reds. What's up, Blue Crew? What's up, Green Giants? Thanks for tuning in, Ledger Citizens. Theody, hey G, Blue Crew, Green Giants. Yo, brother. Here, busy work, but got a question came on my mind right now. In Ledger City, will we have like a president or a government? I mean, it's an open source game, man. We can create any community we see fit. I mean, if we get enough players where, like, let's say they keep track of the number of accounts, and all those accounts, like maybe they make like, you're allowed to make like a governance proposal, for example, and you know, the people who are longtime supporters of Ledger City could maybe vote yes on that proposal to have presidents or government. I don't know, man. I mean, it's going to be a long way until we get to even that being a possibility, though. But I mean, I think in the short term, you can possibly do something like that where you're like, hey, we're a major majority or the most active community, and we voted a president and we created our own government within the Ledger City. Whether you comply with it or not, you're outside of our government or how we're doing things, right? It would be very hard to get a majority of XRP holders to eventually do it, but as a small community within Ledger City, maybe you can. Did you know Justin's son became Granada ambassador? Yep, he did. And he still promotes Tron and still promotes BitTorrent. Jet Digital 321. XRP Roadrunner, the West needed Ukrainian war to push the use of digital payments. I mean, every catalyst that we're seeing, you guys, is to continue digital adoption. I don't know, a lot of people are buying into a ton of FUD of what's going on with digital payments, and you know, that's how serious they are. And you know, guys, I don't know the last time you guys have paid with cash. I went to a concert and I had to pay everything digitally. I use my tap pay now. I start adding tap pay to my phone so I could just do tap payments. So in the future, you're gonna have all these options. You'll have your cryptos, you'll have your, you know, your global currencies per se, like an XRP or XLM, the ones that are just very highly liquid. And you can use it for any type of value transfer because it's been labeled as a standard for payments. You know, you can just tap to pay everywhere you go. Hell, we've seen commercials or have seen, you know, slides where they want you to just walk in, grab your item, and walk out, and the transaction's already made. How do I get my house to the Ledger City? So yeah, let's check it out. I love the Ledger City questions, guys. I mean, we're just trying to we're definitely bullish on it, excited about it, ride or die with it, right? So we want to help build a really strong community for this and really make this a fun game to be a part of. And we have that opportunity right here to make something of it, right? To make what we want out of Ledger City. So right now you can be claiming property. We went over this on our LCU earlier today, but highlights property ownership will be activated in Ledger City, allowing you to claim your property for future customization, right? So that's coming out next week, you guys. Bold statement to start off here. Ledger City ultimately is the XRP blockchain. So buildings correspond to your accounts on a one-to-one basis and are representative of their balances on Ledger State. From the get-go, every XRP owner is a Ledger City inhabitant. So you already have your ownership by owning XRP, holding XRP. There's no, I think they have a certain time frame of when you can do this property claiming period. So I would check that out on their website and look into this article. There's a lot more info, and I've talked about it earlier today on our LCU. So check out that LCU episode. But yeah, but basically getting XRP, you're also getting part of this digital land that looks like it could be a really fun open source game to be a part of and contribute and really build maybe actual value off of, right? Earn value. Ready to claim my skyscraper on LCG. Yep. No worries, Jet Digital. So right now, all you can do is just register your email. Make sure you're part of their email list. You can possibly get early access. We'll see. And then right now, you can basically next week, you'll be able to make your micropayments from your XRP addresses to prove that you own those addresses, and then that's how you claim your property. You won't be seeing the graphic, I don't think. I don't think you'll be seeing the graphic of the digital property, but you'll just be activating your account saying, yes, I own these addresses. I'm claiming these plots of land or buildings. What's up? Thanks for the 18 likes, the 17 viewers. You guys are amazing. And shout out to the Blue Crew, the Green Giants. The Blue Crew has been the first, right? They were the first community. They just always coming out and supporting, and they just get bigger and bigger. Green Giants are doing their thing. Rotson Aguilar, Blue Crew's finest. Thanks for everything you do, brother. You win a cup of coffee. Much love. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And the Ledger Citizens are coming up too, man. Watch out for them on Twitter, though. That Twitter Spaces is pretty good. All right. Thanks for tuning in for another Chill Crypto, guys. How you guys doing? Let's see what other cryptos are in. Oh, yeah, so we're jumping into the reds now, right? The deep, deep reds. Took us a long way to get there, but we did. But we're chilling. All right, so we got Sologenic still looking like a good value here at around 32. If it dumps into the 20 cents, so be it. But now down past 94% in the past 90 days. I'm liking Solo here. I think if there's good news for XRP, I think that's good news for Solo, you guys. So things in the XRP ecosystem are looking pretty appealing. You know, Ledger City, of course, LCC token, and what they're doing with the metaverse. I mean, imagine XRP getting regulatory clarity, and then all these projects that have just kind of been building on the side, now they start to get real interest from a lot of crypto speculators who were really unsure about XRP, right? So Solo could be a good opportunity right here to be taking advantage of. Looking like a pretty good, you know, at least one of the major XRPL projects that are out there. Who knows what's to come, though, in the XRPL, right? There can maybe even be something that's better than Solo in the future that just blows us away. Who knows? Can I own a military base in LC and start a war and blow up everything? Just wondering. I mean, you would have to find a way to make that possible in the game, right? If the rules of the game don't allow us to do that, I think initially right away we just have to expect that we'll just claim our building, get to see our building, and kind of walk around and fly around with an avatar and see other people's buildings. Maybe even possibly interact with other avatars, which would be a great first step for Ledger City. Maybe eventually you can make your own military base and start a war if you want. Maybe that's depending on what developers contribute to that open source game. I got a feeling it's going to be pretty simsy to start off. And pretty clunky. You know, it's a beta, guys. We're jumping in super early. We're the ones with the pickaxes and breaking dirt. No, your XRP will get burned. Oh man, if $10 XRP happens soon, we'll see. I mean, I'm excited for this weekend. We got some great news in the past week, right? I don't know how Jerome Powell's speech went. Maybe it's gonna, you know, kill the sentiment right now, but that Ukrainian news is definitely making the, you know, crypto space feeling bullish. Once again, guys, appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do we have any other news? Let's see. Oh yeah, Osmosis doing an update right here. Little St. Patty's Day, Osmosis. Good times. Look at that guy. Good old St. Patty. Ledger City making it known, several people have contacted us with the concern that property claims have been filed by March, or have to be filed by March 18th. Claims can be filed anytime, even after the game launches. There is no deadline. Once a claim is filed, you have 3 days to verify it by sending the 2 XRP payments. So a lot of people were thinking it's a very short deadline. It isn't. No worries. You feel the market's going to reflect? Cool. XRP Hitman in the house. XRP at 78.5, guys. Looking good for XRP here. Looking good for XRP. I mean, BTC at 41K. Let's go. Let's go. Holy cow. Maybe I should go grab a beer. Let's go. Let's see XRP hit 80 cents and then we'll be stoked. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. Let's zoom in a little bit on the hourly here with XRP. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Go to the 5-minute. All right, I'm going to clear it all, man. We got to remember what this was. We know we made the Gohan call here. Right? All right. Say bye-bye. Yep. There we go. Yeah, 5-minute. We're possibly looking for a journey to 80 cents here, you guys. 80 cents is going to be tough resistance. But we can probably get some bullish momentum tonight up to 80 cents. That's great. We just got to break through here. This is a crucial resistance line on the 5-minute. But you got to like that there's higher lows, higher highs being created here. And we're on our way, hopefully, to a newer, higher high. Market is funny. Yep. So manipulated. Let's go to the hourly. Not looking too bad. If XRP can break through here. We're confirming a higher high than the previous high, at least if we can close here. So far, so good. Creating higher lows, higher highs. Right, started turning the corner here on March 15th. A lot of resistance around that 80 cent area, though. A lot of resistance. I mean, a lot of catalysts have been happening now that an executive order went off, man. So many catalysts that are just keep pushing it towards adoption of digital assets. Let's go to the zoom out to the 4-hour now. Hourly could go a little bit bearish. 5-minute definitely can turn bearish. So right now people are probably trying to take some profits here on the news already, but let's see on the daily what it's looking like. Still room to grow here. How much? Who knows? I think we're going to hit 80 cents, and that's a tough resistance to break, at least in the short term. Make a few thousand in half hour. Nice. Exactly. For some, make a few mil, right? And who knows who's making a few billion off of this market. Jeez. Need XRP to range for the next 3 weeks. Sorry, sorry, fellas and fellets. Looking better every beer. We do have tough overhead resistance here, as you can see. We've just been in this really, really tough spot for quite a while. But we're on that journey to touch it again. We just need to break through. And hopefully we can. That's that 90-cent area. So 80 cents and 90 cents are going to be too tough. That's going to be a tough window to break through here. If it gets rejected, we're talking about going down to possibly 40 cents, 44 cents. CELO has been tearing up the chart lately, been keeping a close eye on it. Yeah, CELO mentioned by World Economic Forum, and, you know, still building, still establishing partnerships. Definitely want to keep an eye out for. Need XRP to range for the next 3 weeks. Looking better every beer. Vince724 in the house. What's up, Vince724? Appreciate you tuning in, man. Thanks for tuning in, everybody, for another Chill Crypto. We're looking at the XRP chart here. We're speculating. We're hanging out with the Ledger Citizens, the Blue Crew, the Green Giants. You guys are out of this world. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And Calculon, my man, for the culture, 369. What's up, man? Appreciate you, man. 369, dude. Appreciate it. So there we go. Devnol Productions saying yes, step-by-step instructions and tutorials with screenshots and videos will be provided in the future. Gotta love what Devnol Productions is doing. So responsive to the community. You gotta really appreciate that. Showing that they know the community matters. And, you know, the community bringing so much attention to them. They must be loving it, man. They must be loving it. Darcy, 10 cents. She's saying it. She's like, we're going to 10 cents, dude. I don't know how. I don't know when. We're going to 10 cents. All right, let's see what else we got. So Exodus wallet was brought up today. Tokenized shares in Exodus are now trading on securitized markets. Retail investors included with 24/7 order placement, 8 a.m., 8 p.m. ET trading hours, near instant deposits, and promotional $0 fee trading. Get started here, securitized pub. So that's awesome. I don't know how many people are using Exodus, but I've heard it mentioned quite a few times here on the channel. I just have I have a very simple wallet set up with. I don't have an Exodus yet. 1322 equals 922. All right, sure, Baba. Gotcha, Baba. Tesla 369, Cryptoholic. What's up, dude? I'm relieved to see Juno recovering after the incident concerning the one wallet holder. I know that was going to pass, though, man. Those type of things where it's not really something that's, you know, it was just like kind of a little FUD period for the community. But we all knew it was going to eventually pass over time. It's just back to business as usual for an interoperable smart contract on the Cosmos ecosystem. But what do I know? I'm just a little Tiger Inu here. Might have to withdraw out of Nexo to get more property in Ledger City. Why not? Why not? XRP at 79 cents again. Yeah. I don't know if you guys have checked out our LCUs, but we have this video that we play. Let me see if I can pop it up for y'all. I mean, check this out. Yeah, it was better when gas was a couple of dollars. Don't really use Exodus except link to Xumm for ADs. I love Xumm right now. Xumm is killing it. Just more and more the how to use it is getting smoother and smoother. The application's building on it. Definitely excited for more to come for what's going on with Xumm Wallet. Just bought my kids 1,000 XRP from when they're 18, future millionaires. Who knows, man? We just definitely know XRP is part of this this ISO 20022 driven future in terms of payments messaging, payment settlement, and they were the first to really want to go in that direction, right? The first decentralized exchange, allowing for the transfer of value within seconds and settling. All of XRP that'll ever be is already out there. And they're definitely trying to FUD it to the ground, and a lot of people FUD it, saying that it's not even meant for us, right? It's meant for us. It's meant for anybody who wants to make a payment. Censorship-resistant payment. Online, offline, don't matter. Within 3 seconds, settled. Any asset. Yeah, it was better when gas was a couple of dollars. XRP creating trust where there isn't. That's one of the biggest problems on the internet, right? It's a matter of trust. But when you start adding value and payments to it, it starts to become a little bit clearer. What the heck is going on here? Close these. There we go. XLM is going to do its thing, though, too, right? Algorand's going to do its thing. These fast, enterprise-ready, ISO 20022 ready type of utilities are going to be the thing. Oh, crap. Here, wait. I got to close my door. Gardeners were starting to get some dust in here. Yeah, it was better when gas was a couple of dollars. Don't really use Exodus except linked to some. Exactly. Utility will be king. And the ones that I think enterprises are going to want to use is the ones that give you cheap fees. Right? The ones that are basically feeless. No intermediary needed. You can work with any bank that you like. You open up to a network of all the banks instead of big banks in their own little club, small banks in their own little club. All of them having access to each other. All of them having and providing each other with liquidity. What's up, Darcy? XRP Roadrunner. So, Darcy, please send me your Solana Phantom wallet address, and I'll send you your NFT now. How about that? I'm going to sign in right now. If I could drag this window over, that'd be good. Okay, give me a sec. Let's see, what can we do here? Oh, I can drag this up here. Okay. I'll sign in just a sec. There we go. Yep. I have your entrance NFT ready to go if you need it. I'll send it over to you right away. Let me check out the chat. You are giving away NFTs now? I do. I'm trying to do at least give away one or give away some crypto or NFT to the Blue Crew once a month and give away, you know, kind of same thing for the Green Giants, but having their own like stream where the pool isn't as big right now, and so they have a higher chance of winning an NFT. When it's with the Blue Crew, there's a lot of Blue Crew who can participate, right? So it's definitely a little bit more difficult to win that NFT. Squirrely Crypto, what's up, dude? We're just hanging out. We're showing. So this is one of the new Ledger City intros that we made for the channel. You know, the game obviously isn't going to look like this to start off, you guys. I don't want to get people to, you know, just kind of expect this right away from the get-go. But who knows? In the future, the graphics could be this good, right? And remember, they want to allow access on as many platforms as possible, so it makes sense if the graphics aren't tremendous in the get-go, but something that's, you know, evolving in real time, updating, open source project. There's going to be a lot of updates that come on to Ledger City, and, you know, graphic updates as well. And maybe someday in the future, it could be like this. But yeah, that's that's the video right there. I don't believe in green giants. I don't believe they're real. I believe they're just computer-generated characters. Just my 2 cents. Oh, you think I created all those accounts to be green giants and win random tokens from them G? Who knows? Was cool when we would vote on the biggest gainer for the week. Oh yeah, that was good. XRP Hitman, you're right. We should get back to that. Maybe that's our giveaway instead. I don't know if I'll do it every week. Like, there's a lot of things I'm trying not to do too much right now in the community. I'm really excited for Ledger City Radio for sure. And then what we're doing here with this channel as well is just all three of the different things that we do with DL Talk, you know, Chill Crypto, and then Late Night DLT, and just kind of keeping this, you know, in its personal blog type of form. Ledger City Radio maybe allowing for multiple users to be part of it, and kind of trying to have, like, not a 24/7. I don't think I'm not going to be as ambitious for that right now, but, you know, people have messaged wanting to be co-hosts for the Twitter Spaces, so I think just recording our Twitter Spaces for now and then putting it up on Ledger City Radio YouTube later, that would be really cool. And then maybe in the future, you know, playing other people's music. Darcy dropping her address. So that's the address for your Solana Phantom wallet, right? Cool. Just want to make sure. Can you please type yes? I'll send the NFT right away. Let me just see. Let me see if she responded yes. Yep, she said yep. Okay. All right. Actually, I want to test how fast this is because Solana is supposedly super fast, right? So I'll let you know when I send it, okay? All right, I'm on the NFT right now. I'm clicking send. I'm putting in the recipient's Solana address. There we go. And I'm clicking next. Okay, so let's see how fast this transaction goes. Okay, it's making me aware of the network fee, and I said send. Here we go. Sending. Waiting for confirmation. Okay, so far about 10 plus seconds, right? But Darcy, if you could check your wallet, please, and let me know when you receive it. Did Solana go down again today? But maybe sending an NFT is a little bit slower than sending a token on the Solana thing. Or maybe she already received it. Maybe my thing is just my wallet or internet is having a hard time kind of receiving the information right now. All right, let me know when you got it, Darcy. The wallet is slow loading. Okay. Hi G, where to save XRP ledgers, Xumm or Uphold? We should try to predict SEC's latest delay tactic each week. Yeah, right. That would be another one to make for a giveaway. Who do you think makes all our canned veggies? This is the problem with sending money on the line. It's always so slow. Wish there was a way to speed it up. Yeah, DN, exactly. Exactly. We're sending an NFT right now. I don't know if when we sent it to Cryptoholic, it went faster. It could just be my internet connection and me streaming and having all these windows open at the same time too. But, you know, we're just waiting on Darcy's call here to say she confirms receiving it. I'm trying to see if I can check my transaction history on it. Nothing G. Right on. Let's see. All right. It's still apparently trying to send. We'll give it some time. Unfortunately, it didn't happen right away. Sad for Solana wallet. Sad for the Phantom wallet. The dog ate the emails. I'm not a she. My bad, Darcy. My bad. Maybe you should have used Swift to send it. That's hilarious. But yeah, let's check out some charts. We'll be back. Darcy, just give me a heads up. You know, before we end the stream, hopefully it should be sent. But you never know. We should check out news if Solana's still running, if it would just happen to crash. Who knows? Should send the NFT soon, though. I don't know what IDO is either, this interstellar one, but it always ends up like fluctuating really high. 876% in the past 30 days. I don't know who in the Blue Crew called that one out, but that one went up a pretty good amount. Juno at $38, 11% in the past 24 hours. Good to see that with Juno. Osmo back up to 939. Rowan token starting to get some love. Rowan token could be at a really good value right here with its Omni-Chain DEX. Atom, hopefully we can see Atom back up above the $30 range again. Nuna not looking too bad if you're bullish on XLM projects and NFT projects on that. Nuna looking like a good early days one. Okay, Cryptoholic, thanks for sharing your address, my dude. Still nothing here. Oh, man. Oh, man. Here, let me see. See, like, this is my NFTs that I have. Right? And there's the entrance NFT, and I set sent. Here, look, I'll try to paste. Oh, no, that's, what's his name's address. Let me paste it again. I'll try to send it. When I sent it at first, it said succeeded and it started loading the transaction. Right? So, let me see. Here's your address. Bam. I'll do it on the live stream right in front of y'all so you guys know I'm not BSing. What the heck? Okay, now it's sending again. It said that last time, though. It said that last time, so... And I try to send it a second. Oh, so okay. It's sent now. Here we go. Alright, whatever. It's working now. It's sent really quick there. Maybe I just had to do a double take on this. It should pop up now. It literally just said successful send right here. Yeah, exactly. It just failed during the first transaction. So yeah, it said success really quickly, right? You guys saw it just in real time right there. Sending it said success very quickly. So let's see what ends up happening here. Let me check my wallet, my NFT wallet now. See if it's still in there. Okay, it's still showing that the entrance pass is in there though. So But it said successful. We all saw it right there that it said success for the transaction. So hopefully it went through this time. You guys got a preview of some future NFT giveaways there in my NFT wallet there. As you can see, I don't own too many NFTs. I'm sure a lot of y'all own way more. What about BLZ? We do like BlueZell. Still believe in BlueZell. I mean, it's just kind of doing its thing, trying to build GameFi. Not many people are thinking about GameFi, at least right now in the market, and the whole market's having a tough time, right? But BlueZell, definitely still holding this one. Great connections, man. Great connections to Cosmos, to Ripple, to the World Economic Forum. Super low supply. I mean, tremendous opportunity here. 61% down. Could be finding a bottom here. I mean, BlueZell is looking really, really good. Oh yeah, I got to copy your address again now. There we go, Cryptoholic. Good reminder. I think you and Mix are the last ones for GDLT token, my guys. So I just need to get... I don't know where Mix has been, man, but we need to get his address so I don't have to hodl any more GDLT token. Don't underestimate Stellar. I'm not underestimating it. We just talked about it earlier with XLM signing an agreement with Ukraine just last year. And what happened with Ukraine and Ministry of Digital Transformation, right? They made a big announcement today. So definitely bullish for Stellar. And once again, XRP having its ties with the Ukrainian central banks. And now this virtual assets bill into law legalizing crypto. Very excited for, you know, we started getting some really good momentum in the past couple of hours here. We'll see if this continues. If BTC starts to get to 42K, 43K, then we're talking. And then XRP hopefully hitting around 80 cents. I think that's where I would start taking maybe a little bit of profits. If we reach 80 cents, for example, tonight, maybe tomorrow morning, I think that's not bad. But once again, I'll never tell you what to do. It's just my opinion and what I might be doing. I'm not going to be taking all of my XRP stash, but I'll try to take a little bit of profit here. At, you know, if it does go up to the 80 cents, we were buying that dip, right, when it was at a little bit lower, right, 77, 76, 78, or I mean 75. So we'll take those little short-term gains, try to stack up some more XRP. It's spiking on Coinbase at the moment is why I asked. Oh, okay, right on. Yeah, BlueZell's a great project. I like BlueZell. I wouldn't be chasing the pump. I would let this pump do its thing, you know. I mean, sure, it's still undervalued. It's 60% down, so this could still be a good point of entry. So that's another perspective there, but, you know, we like to try to take profits on green days and try to buy the dip on the red days. Putin's Coinbase account has been frozen. Get rid of dead weight is always good. You got it, Darcy? Awesome. Happy you got the entrance NFT. Wonderful. That's awesome, man. So yeah, we just sent a Solana NFT over to Darcy. Wonderful. Cryptoholic, thank you for sponsoring that giveaway. Entrance NFTs looking pretty cool. Those Metaverse NFTs on the Solana platform are looking really cool. All in all. Cosmos ecosystem's doing its thing. We're excited for the growth of that. Of course, Algorand. And then, dude, XRPL, just a lot of developers coming our way. And XLS 20, you know, more and more development on that. So, exciting times ahead. Ledger City, of course. Looks like everything is spiking slightly. I mean, it could be just responding very positively to this news. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully, we start breaking out in a big way. Maybe this is just, you know, the executive order and all this stuff that's happened in the past week is a sign of more digital asset adoption. And it certainly looks like it for now, right? So that means more speculation coming our way. Here we go. Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another Chill Crypto live stream. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much. As always, shout out to the Blue Crew, the Green Giants, and the Ledger Citizens out there. Tomorrow is going to be another Ledger City Radio episode on Twitter Spaces. Feel free to tune in there, guys. It's going to be around 12 p.m. PST or 12:30 p.m. PST. We're going to get together with the Ledger citizens and, talk shop, try to figure out what we're doing in terms of claiming our property, getting prepared for next week, right, and much more. So, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And then, of course, here, I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love to the Blue Crew. Always grateful. Can y'all answer before closing? New job 35 miles away. Do I buy a gas saver or drive my truck all year? 100 to fill up a V8 and would be able to get 3x the mileage. What does Blue Crew think? Smart money move or just hold out? Cryptoholic, that's a tough one to say, man. I would say get a gas saver, dude. I would say get a gas saver. But maybe that's me just being initially not thinking too much about it, just being like, wow, 35 miles away, get a gas saver, you know. Calculon saying get a motorcycle. Yeah, that could be a thing. Can you move into your vehicle? Yeah. Get a Sprinter van. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much. Much love to the Blue Crew. Thank you, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto communities, Blue Crew, and all the communities out there. The future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. Our future is bright. I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios. Keep the eye of the tiger, y'all.